Hi, hello. Today we're going to talk about information and communication technologies in the classroom, and I watched two videos about them. One is the information of for if you are a professor or a teacher or anybody who gives instructions to students or to pupils. So if you are a tutor or something, don't be afraid of using ICTs for to teach in the classroom or to just to give your message through from you to the students. And the other video was a professor in a university, a very funny thing. He interacted with a video that he did previously, of course, and it makes the classroom more enjoyable, more fun, as he interact, trying to be a mathematician teacher, but he uses really well the ICTs. Now, I had the privilege to use ICTs in the classroom, from video beam to computers and all this stuff. Sometimes schools is their own school that limit the ICTs in the classroom because they don't allow the students to bring cell phones or to open a laptop. I'm talking about high school, and I'm talking about universities. And that is a limitation. But as a suggestion, we have to be open to technology. I'm not afraid of technology. I've been using ICT since, before they had that name, since maybe 15 years ago. And I have been using it for a while, and actually I use it every day. So it's a much better way to teach class and to keep students focused in a more fun way, in a more dynamic way. So this is my video, and thank you. My name is Rodolfo, and see you later on.